Hello everyone, welcome back to Nafas Academy. This is Nafas speaking. To solve this question, we have to use long division. I'm writing the divisor at first and the dividend. What is the dividend? 2x to the 4 plus 3x cube, something like that. To divide, we have to make them equal of both first terms of the divisor and dividend. Here first term is x cube of divisor and 2x to the 4 is for dividend. To make them equal, we have to multiply by x cube with 2 and also x, right? Yes, 2x. So it is 2x to the power 4 equals 2x to the power, both are the same. So 2x is quotient, right? Write it here. And now we have to multiply the 2x with the whole divisor. So 2x times x cube plus 2x. What is the result? It is 2x to the power 4 plus 2 to the 4x square. Write the expression over here. 2x to 4 plus 4x square. Yes, I'm making the gap of x to the power cube, the degree x cube. So just under the x square, 4x square, I'm writing the 4x square under the 4x square. X to the 4 and plus 2x to the 4 minus 2x to the 4 cancel out. So 3x cube plus 4x square minus 4x square, it is cancel out. Since it is subtraction, so I had change the sign. Okay, now bring down the 5x and plus 6. So now x cube and 3x cube is our target. To make them equal, x cube left side and 3x cube. So times 3, what about? Yes, 3 times x cube left side. So it is 3x cube equals to 3x cube. Both are same. Looks good. So 3 is our quotient. Write it here. 3. Now we have to multiply 3 with the divisor x cube plus 2x. What's the result? 3x cube plus 3 to the 6x. Yes, write all the expression over here. The position is very important. X and x square and x square, x to the 4 and x to the 4. Okay, I'm changed the sign. So now plus 5x minus 6 is minus x and plus 6. So minus x plus 6 is it is lower than the divisor, the degree, right? So what is the rules to write? At first write the quotient, then plus sign, then the remainder, and then the divisor. Okay, what's the result? The coefficient of x is 2, so it is a. The coefficient of numeric value is b, so it is 3, and the coefficient of x, the fractional x, is -1. Nothing means 1. And the d is the 6, right? It is positive 6, means 6. Okay, do you understand? It is the answer, so there is this one is quotient, right? The writing, how to write the answer pattern. It is remainder, the total part is remainder, and this denominator is divisor. This is the system. Thank you.